So I do get a lot of questions from people about like how laundry works on cruise ships, and so for Carnival, there are laundrettes, however you say it, on most of the ships. We can do self-serve. I don't know much about that part of it, but they're here. We do. We're Diamond, so we do get, as of now, unlimited laundry. That will change, I think, in September. And it's based on however many days the sailing is. They make it like for 7 days, it could be 3 bags. I'm not really quite sure on that part. I'll do another video on that later on. But let's just talk about the process of how to send your laundry out. So I'll show you the paperwork for that. It's really easy. So these will be in your cabin somewhere normally, like in the drawer or on the countertop. And these are the bags that you put the laundry in. They're pretty big. You can stuff quite a bit of clothing in here, like as far as like t-shirts, underwear, socks, like, you know, things that can be sort of squished and put in, swimsuits. Then you fill out this, actually. And if you look on top here, it explains for Platinum VIP club members. But really, if you read the fine print, it's just going to tell you that if you are not Platinum or Diamond, it is $15 per bag flat fee. A lot of folks get confused by that, but it's just $15 a bag. Stuff that bag. But if you are Platinum and Diamond, you do get free laundry. So you fill everything out by the number under the guest. You have 3 pairs of shorts, 2 shirts, 3 pairs of underwear. You label all that right here on this side where it says guests. You fill out your name, stateroom, sign and sale, all that up here. Any special notes down here. I usually put to use cold water. And that's all you got to do. You don't have to worry about the money, anything on here. The folks we were with weren't really aware of the $15 a bag, which is why I'm doing this. I thought I told them, but it's okay. So they had totaled like $140. And I was like, no, it's not $140. It's just $15 a bag flat. So once you fill all that out and you fill the bag up, you put this paperwork. So if you have more than one, you have to do, a sheet per bag. So if you have 5 shirts, 5 underwear in here, that goes here. Here, if you have 5 shirts, 6 underwear, 7 pairs of socks here, that goes there. So each one gets its own slip. And then you put the slip inside the bag when it's done. And then it comes back, boom, like this. So this was actually, I think we had 3 or 4 of those turn into 2 of these. So this is what it is. It's all back. And it tells you just a receipt. Sometimes on the last cruise, we mismarked. He's like, oh, I think you're missing something because it only says you're supposed to have 8. Or you're supposed to have 9, but you'll have 8. We just mismarked it on our own end. But they do keep track of it and check if anything is missing. So that's how it looks.